Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the DreamColor HP monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily revert your brightness settings to the default ones. At the back of your monitor in the bottom right corner you can find a button. Click this button and click this button once again. Here we have to click brightness, and as you can see, now we can scroll down to reset brightness. You can click it and now our brightness settings will be resetted. As you can see, now I will increase this up to 100%. Go back, reset brightness, brightness resetted to the 30 value. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.